Dale from Gale Force Winds, and it is so good to be in conversation with the good people at Discovery Community College in beautiful Surrey, British Columbia. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
I'm Dr. Pauline Nei. I'm the Director of Education here.
So, Director of Education, tell me about what that role is exactly.
Basically, I oversee all the programs at Discovery Community College, including the curriculum and
so that's got to be a fairly fluid and dynamic place. A community college is known to be sort of responsive and agile to community partners and industry needs, and so curriculum must be constantly shifting. Is that the way it goes?
Yes, we always say that curriculum is a live document, so it's always changing. And yes, we are very responsive to the needs of the marketplace.
Yeah, that's an important piece, right? Where, you know, you can, for your partners can see a need coming up, or maybe even you could see the need before them coming up, and you're able to fashion an offering to meet that need. Again, you know, I love the way you describe curriculum as a living document. And talk to me a little bit about, beyond the curriculum itself, your philosophy around experiential learning and getting people's hands into it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so my own educational philosophy is based on the experiential learning. So basically, when I create a program, it is not just theory, like books. It is, I try to kind of build it on theory, and then they go apply it in a practical sense. So for example, in the dental programs, we have a dental assisting program. They will learn some theory in the classroom. They would then take that into the dental clinic. We have a fully functioning dental clinic, and they would apply it with the guidance of their instructors.
Yeah, and how do you achieve that for remote learning? So people that might be in the extremities of the province learning, and how do you get that experiential learning to them?
Okay, so for dental programs, we don't have remote learning. They have to come on campus because it is so hands-on.
Right.
For other programs, such as business programs, then yes, we can do that through online learning, and we can, you know, get the software out to them so they can practice like the accounting and things on their home computer.
Yeah. I'd like to talk a little bit about sort of go back to that collaborative nature with the community and talk about the importance of understanding the direction industry is moving and your community partners are moving. Talk to me a little bit about the collaboration piece.
Okay, so currently we have some collaboration with some government-funded organizations. So basically they would kind of recommend or help guide some of their individuals who are looking for a career change towards our school, and then we still go through the admission processes and everything like that, and then we just work together to try to get this person in a new career, get them started on a second chance at something different.
Yeah. You know, it's great to design the curriculum and create all that, but at the end of the day, it's going to require somebody to deliver that to the students. Talk to me about the importance of bringing in instructors and coaches with real industry experience.
So when we hire our instructors, they usually have quite a bit of years of experience in the field. So it's not just about teaching students theory, it's about making it come alive, and by having someone who's had that field experience, they can bring that in. So for example, they can say, well, I'm teaching you how to take dental x-rays, for example. Not every patient can tolerate the sensor in their mouth, but I will show you, because you know you're going to have people who are gagging and things like that. I will show you how to work around that. So, and that comes from experience, because yes, we can teach you all the technical skills in school and the theory, but until you've actually worked in the field on different people, you don't know.
One thing I like about Discovery is that they take students in and sort of take away all of their barriers so that they can come in to learn, whether it be financial or otherwise. A real inviting place, and as you just so perfectly described, you put them in front of real experienced people so that they can learn. And then the other piece that I really enjoy is that you don't kind of leave them. You make sure that they're successful, that they're well set up to go into the workforce. It must feel great for you to watch your curriculum, in your words, come alive.
No, I wouldn't say so much that of seeing the curriculum come alive. It's more of finding out what is the strength in each student.
Okay.
What are their areas that they need support in, and we work with them. So it's not so much the curriculum, it's the people. And so I would say, like, the instructors we have here are very supportive, very caring for their students. They go above and beyond what is required of an instructor, because really instructors only have to deliver the content. But our instructors are, they're genuinely kind of like interested in the student's success, each student's success. So yes, I create the curriculum and there's content and things that need to be covered, but it is actually the instructors that do it.
That's a great way to describe it, and thank you. Wonderful being in conversation with you. You've got a lot of moving parts here, and we certainly appreciate the good things that you're doing here at Discovery Community College. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.